Health benefits of hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are the seeds of the hemp plant, Cannabis sativa. They are from the same species as cannabis, marijuana, but a different variety. However, they contain only trace amounts of THC, the psychoactive compound in marijuana. Though hemp seeds have only recently become popular in the West, they're a staple food in many societies and provide excellent nutritional value. They are very rich in healthy fats, high-quality protein and several minerals. However, hemp seed shells may contain trace amounts of THC, the active compound in marijuana. People who have been dependent on cannabis may want to avoid hemp seeds in any form. Overall, hemp seeds are incredibly healthy. They may be one of the few superfoods worthy of their reputation. Hemp seeds are exceptionally nutritious and rich in healthy fats, protein and various minerals. Hemp seeds are rich in healthy fats and essential fatty acids. They are also a great protein source and contain high amounts of vitamin E, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, calcium, iron and zinc. Hemp seeds have a rich nutrition profile. They contain high levels of antioxidants, fatty acids, minerals, and vitamins. The shells add fiber to the diet, and grinding the seeds helps the body to absorb more of the other nutrients. Here are 6 health benefits of hemp seeds that are backed up by science. Hemp seeds are incredibly nutritious. Technically a nut, hemp seeds are very nutritious. They have a mild nutty flavor and are often referred to as hemp hearts. Hemp seeds contain over 30% fat. They are exceptionally rich in 2 essential fatty acids, linoleic acid omega-6 and alpha-linolenic acid omega-3. They also contain gamma-linolenic acid, which has been linked to several health benefits. Hemp seeds are a great protein source, as more than 25% of their total calories are from high-quality protein. That is considerably more than similar foods like chia seeds and flax seeds, whose calories are 16 to 18% protein. Hemp seeds are also a great source of vitamin E and minerals, such as phosphorus, potassium, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, calcium, iron and zinc. Hemp seeds can be consumed raw, cooked or roasted. Hemp seed oil is also very healthy and has been used as a food and medicine in China for at least 3,000 years. Unsaturated fats. The health benefits of polyunsaturated fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, are becoming increasingly well known. Hemp seeds are a great source of essential fatty acids, such as alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is an omega-3. The body cannot produce essential fatty acids, and the body must absorb them from the diet. They are crucial for long-term health. The ratio of omega-3s to omega-6 is also important. In general, people tend to eat too many omega-6s and too few omega-3s, but adding hemp seeds to the diet may help to promote a balance. According to results of a 2015 animal study, incorporating hemp seeds and hemp seed oil to hens' diet led to eggs with increased levels of omega-3s in the yolks and a more healthful omega-3 to omega-6 ratio. Also, hemp seeds are low in saturated fats and contain no trans fats. Hemp seeds may reduce your risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death worldwide. Interestingly, eating hemp seeds may reduce your risk of heart disease. The seeds contain high amounts of the amino acid arginine, which produces nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide is a gas molecule that makes your blood vessels dilate and relax, leading to lowered blood pressure and a reduced risk of heart disease. In a large study in over 13,000 people, increased arginine intake corresponded with decreased levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, an inflammation marker. High levels of CRP are linked to heart disease. The gamma-linolenic acid found in hemp seeds has also been linked to reduced inflammation, which may decrease your risk of diseases like heart disease. Additionally, animal studies have shown that hemp seeds or hemp seed oil may reduce blood pressure, decrease the risk of blood clot formation, and help the heart recover after a heart attack. Boosts heart health. The medical community believes that omega-3 fatty acids improve the health of the heart and reduce the risk of issues such as arrhythmias and heart disease. Hemp seeds contain high levels of omega-3s and a healthful ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids. The seeds also contain high levels of arginine, an amino acid that turns into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is essential for artery and vein dilation, and it helps keep blood vessel walls smooth and elastic. Lowering blood pressure, eating a healthful diet, and participating in varied forms of exercise may help to decrease the risk of heart failure. Hemp seeds and oil may benefit skin disorders. Fatty acids may affect immune responses in your body. Studies suggest that your immune system depends on the balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. Hemp seeds are a good source of polyunsaturated and essential fatty acids. They have about a 3-to-1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3, which is considered in the optimal range. Studies have shown that giving hemp seed oil to people with eczema may improve blood levels of essential fatty acids. The oil may also relieve dry skin, improve itchiness, and reduce the need for skin medication. Hemp seeds are a great source of plant-based protein. About 25% of calories in hemp seeds come from protein, which is relatively high. In fact, by weight, hemp seeds provide similar amounts of protein as beef and lamb. 30 grams of hemp seeds, or 2 to 3 tablespoons, provide about 11 grams of protein. They are considered a complete protein source, which means that they provide all the essential amino acids. Your body cannot produce essential amino acids and must obtain them from your diet. Complete protein sources are very rare in the plant kingdom, as plants often lack the amino acid lysine. Quinoa is another example of a complete plant-based protein source. Hemp seeds contain significant amounts of the amino acids methionine and cysteine, as well as very high levels of arginine and glutamic acid. The digestibility of hemp protein is also very good, better than protein from many grains, nuts and legumes. Hemp seeds may reduce symptoms of PMS and menopause. Up to 80% of women of reproductive age may suffer from physical or emotional symptoms caused by premenstrual syndrome, PMS. These symptoms are very likely caused by sensitivity to the hormone prolactin. Gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, found in hemp seeds, produces prostaglandin E1, which reduces the effects of prolactin. In a study in women with PMS, taking 1 gram of essential fatty acids, including 210 milligrams of GLA per day, resulted in a significant decrease in symptoms. Other studies have shown that primrose oil, which is rich in GLA as well, may be highly effective in reducing symptoms for women who have failed other PMS therapies. It decreased breast pain and tenderness, depression, irritability and fluid retention associated with PMS. Because hemp seeds are high in GLA, several studies have indicated that they may help reduce symptoms of menopause too. The exact process is unknown, but the GLA in hemp seeds may regulate the hormone imbalances and inflammation associated with menopause. Whole hemp seeds may aid digestion. Fiber is an essential part of your diet and linked to better digestive health. Whole hemp seeds are a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, containing 20% and 80%, respectively. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in your gut. It's a valuable source of nutrients for beneficial digestive bacteria and may also reduce spikes in blood sugar and regulate cholesterol level. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool and may help food and waste pass through your gut. It has also been linked to a reduced risk of diabetes. However, dehulled or shelled hemp seeds, also known as hemp hearts, contain very little fiber because the fiber-rich shell has been removed. Risks. Although hemp seeds come from the cannabis plant, they ideally contain no tetrahydrocannabinol, THC, which is the active ingredient in cannabis. Hemp seeds will not produce a mind-altering effect. However, athletes and others who undergo drug testing should be aware that consuming hemp products can, in some cases, lead to failed urine tests. The level of THC in any hemp-based product depends on the suppliers and the manufacturing process. Hemp seed production in Australia is strictly regulated. In Canada, the production of hemp seeds is tightly regulated to prevent cross-contamination of THC from the cannabis plant. A legal principle in the US prohibits people from growing hemp seeds with THC concentrations higher than 0.3%. The US government also strictly regulates the importation of hemp seeds and hemp-based products.